Hello friends, subscribers and new viewers of this channel. In this tutorial we explain how to correctly measure or benchmark read and write speeds of local disks. For that purpose we will be using this free software called CrystalDiskMark. Consequently, open your favorite search engine, in my case Google, and let's search for it. Here you have two options. You can either go to the official website or you can go to the SourceForge and you can download from SourceForge. In this video tutorial, I will use the second option. That is, I will download the file from SourceForge. So let's click over here and over here click on download. And the download process will start in 5 seconds and then save the files. Save the files in, for example, downloads folder. In the download folder, you will see the zip file. We need to extract this file. To extract this file, simply do the right click, then do extract all, and let's select this downloads folder for extraction. And I'm doing this just for simplicity. However, you might consider to copy this folder later on somewhere else. Okay, and that's it. Now, how to start this software? Well, you just need to double click on this folder and over here you have 3 options to start. Since I'm using Windows on a 64-bit machine, I need to run this file over here. And that's it. Here's the program. Next, let's explain how to use this program. The program is super simple. Over here, you can select your test drive. In my case, I have 2 drives. I have an SSD drive and I have an HDD drive. I will select my SSD drive. Then, over here you can select the mode. Namely, we have 2 modes. We have a sequential read and write mode and we have random read and write mode. These 2 first testers are for the sequential mode and these 2 options or testers are for the random mode. You can click here to perform all tests. Over here, you can select the test count. You can, for example, select 5 or 9. I will go with 3 in the interest of time. And over here, you can select the size of the test file. Let's, for example, start with this size. And let's start with these options. And you can see queues and threads, and let's click and see what's happening. Now a test file is being prepared and we are currently sequentially reading. And now you can see over here read speed. Wow, read speed is 3,500 megabytes per second. Very good. Here you should be very careful because there are megabytes and megabits. So I think these are the megabits. Or actually megabytes, I have to be careful. These are the megabytes. And you can see the write speed is around 2000 megabytes per second. Not bad. Next, let's test the random read and write. Consequently, let's click here and let's see what will happen. And then you can compare the results. We should expect that the read and write random speeds are actually much lower, and you can see it over here. For example, the read speed is 10 times smaller compared to the sequential read. However, let's check the write speed. This is also interesting to see. So let's see. Currently we are preparing random write and let's see what will happen. Again, 10 times. We can save these results by clicking File and then Save as a text, and we can save it over here in the folder, and later on we can open this file and we can see the results. The results look really nice and they're nicely formatted. Okay, let's now test my HDD. Consequently, I will select my D and then again I will run this test and let's see what will happen. We should expect to have lower read and write speeds. That is the smaller read and write speeds. However, let's see. Wow, we can see that the read speed is actually 20 times smaller. And let's check the second, the right one. This should be even smaller. Let's double check. And let's see, sequential write. Let's see what will happen until the end. About the same, which is not bad, right? And let's see the random access. So let's click here and let's run this and let's see what will happen. And after some time, you will obtain these results. It looks like the random read and write speeds are around 80 times smaller compared to the sequential read and write speeds. Wow, this is truly amazing. And that's it. I hope that you liked this brief video. If you like the videos I'm creating, please press the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks a lot and see you in the next video tutorial.